While surfing through the social media, you must have come across this word called NFT. So what is an NFT? It stands for non-fungible token. Fungible means replaceable. Take for instance a mass-produced t-shirt. One of these can be easily replaced by the other. Same goes for a currency note. One note can be exchanged by another and it essentially makes no difference. Non-fungible means non-replaceable. The Mona Lisa can't be traded for other Mona Lisa. It's unique. A piece of digital art is fungible. It's not unique or scarce because it can be downloaded and copied infinitely. But when you create an NFT for it, it becomes authentic and unique. But how? To put it simply, there's an information stored on the token about who created the content, for how much it was sold for, and who the current owner is. That way, the token represents a certificate of ownership. NFT holds the information that makes it part of the blockchain and identifies the file as the original. And blockchain technology ensures that all of that information is unchangeable and fraud-proof. So while the digital object might be all over the internet, buying the NFT means buying the ownership of it. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, signing off.